Friday, July the 31st is a very interesting day at the stock market. Here we have Amazon and Apple next to each other inside a CZ option decisionless observer demo software. Both companies reported earnings today, but the market reacted in completely different ways. Amazon moved almost 15% higher after strong results and after strong growth from AWS or Amazon Web Services, while Apple moved almost 10% lower. The company reported good numbers, but investors were more concerned about the outlook and possible supply limitations. This is a perfect example of why earnings can create large and sudden price moves. But the important question is not only did the stock go up or down, the important question is what changed inside the market structure. Let us start with Amazon. Amazon has made a very strong move and reclaimed an important repair level, as we can see in the Fibonacci chart. And to make it more clearer, I'll activate the decision view. So we eliminate some indicators to have a clearer view. The underlying thesis is still intact and the technical structure has clearly improved. But after a move of almost 15% in one day, this does not automatically mean that it's the right moment to buy or to add an extra option position. The price is now close to an important entry level. As you can see, we're just above the bronze entry level. The next step is to watch whether Amazon could hold this area, build support and continue toward the next resistance zone. And as you can see, we're heading to T1, the goal in our system, $289. Now let us look at Apple. So we also select the decision view. Apple has moved sharply lower, but the full long-term thesis is not automatically broken with this. The price is still trading above an important support area, which is 291. At the same time, Apple has lost a higher structural zone that now needs to be reclaimed because we were above the 310 level and even last week we were at $340. This creates a clear decision map, actually. If support holds and the price starts to recover, the structure can improve again. If support fails and the reclaim also fails, the tactical picture becomes weaker. This is exactly how CZ separates different questions. Is the long-term thesis still alive? Is it still valid? What is the current tactical status? Is the right moment to add exposure? Where is the support line? Where is the resistance? And where does the original thesis become invalid? Amazon and Apple moved in opposite directions today. But in both cases, the correct response is not an emotional action. It is structured observation. A large move higher is not automatically a buy, but a large move lower is also not automatically a sell. The decision depends on what price does next around the important levels, and that's the purpose of CZ Option Decision OS. It's not to predict every move, but it's to make the decision structure clear before you put your capital at risk.